The 2022 Ninja H2SX and H2SX SE feature an innovative onboard radar system which enables the rider to enjoy some state-of-the-art features that enhance the overall riding experience. One of these is forward collision warning. Forward collision warning, or FCW, is a useful riding aid that highlights the proximity of vehicles in front of a rider according to 3 different timings that the rider can pre-select: early, medium and late. To enable FCW, press the arrow button on the left handlebar. Scroll to Vehicle Settings and press the arrow again. Scroll down using the Mode Down button and select Forward Collision Warning. In its menu, you can choose between 3 timing options: early, medium and late. To switch off FCW, simply press the arrow button on top of the menu. Use the buttons on the left handlebar to select the timing options you wish to be warned at, and start your ride. As the motorcycle is ridden, the radar senses vehicles immediately ahead and calculates the relative distance between them and the motorcycle. As this distance decreases, FCW activates according to the timing preset by the rider. If the distance between the 2 vehicles is less than the preset timing allows, a visual warning comprising a strip of horizontal flashing red lights flashes in the upper part of the meter display. Also, an additional warning is seen on the TFT meter display panel itself. If the visual warnings flash, the rider must decide what action to take, such as braking or reducing engine speed to avoid a possible collision. The timing of the warning takes into account the rider's reaction time and the time required for decelerating the vehicle, so that the situation remains as safe as possible. The system can only detect a possible frontal collision, not collisions from the rear of the motorcycle. Like many radar installations, fog or heavy rain can affect its ability to detect objects. FCW is an assistance or so-called advisory aid. The rider should always use their own judgment as the primary default in terms of vehicle speed and proximity to other vehicles. That is the end of our quick forward collision warning tutorial video, and we hope you found it useful. Look at the links below in the description for more information on FCW and the Ninja H2SX, including other feature videos explaining more about the technical features of our most advanced sports tourer ever.